Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi POCO C3 and I'm gonna show you how to record this slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion. So let's tap on it and here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button at the center. So let me start to show you how it looks like. And now let's start by tapping again on this button at the center. To see the video, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and now we can play our video by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.